Solar roof mount attic fan installation. Tools you will need: cordless drill with nut driver, measuring tape, roofing knife, flashing material, pencil, weatherproofing grade sealant, self-tapping screws, rubber bonded washers, reciprocating saw. Determine in which area you would like to install your QuietCool solar roof mount attic fan. Important: after choosing the location where your solar roof mount attic fan will be installed, find the closest rafter to that location and determine if your roof has either 16 inches on center or 24 inches on center rafter spacing. Remove tiles if needed. Find the center between the two rafters and mark it as the center of the vent hole. Partially insert a screw into the center mark. Go to the roof. Using the screw as a reference point, trace out a 14-inch diameter circle using the provided template. Use a reciprocating saw to cut out the traced hole pattern from the roof decking. Remove the cut-out decking material from around the hole as needed. Note: if you have a shingle roof, insert the reciprocating saw sideways between the shingles and roof decking. Starting at the 3 o'clock position of the vent hole, begin cutting in a sweeping motion under the shingles, cutting through any roofing nails or staples. Note: if you have a shingle roof, using a roofing knife, cut a 4-inch horizontal slit in the shingles at the 9 o'clock and 3 o'clock positions of the hole, allowing the fan's flashing to slide underneath the shingles. Position the fan so that it is centered directly over the vent hole. Lifting the fan unit up at an angle, apply weatherproof caulking to the bottom side of the fan unit. This will help keep the fan in place and will seal securely onto the roof. Note: if you have a shingle roof, slide the fan unit underneath the shingles until the fan reaches the top of the hole. Secure the base of the fan to the roof. Finish caulking around the fan and flashing it onto the roof to make a nice, easy seal. Connect the power adapter cord to the fan. Plug the power cord into the outlet. You have now successfully installed your solar roof mount attic fan. The health of your attic and home have now been improved, all while keeping the world green. Call 1-888-QuietCool or visit QuietCoolSystems.com for more information.